Would you like to sound more like a native speaker when speaking French? Well, in that case, this video is for you. I am about to introduce you to French phonetics and explain all the vowel sounds. If you haven't subscribed yet and you want to learn French, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, I'm Lexi. Let's dive in. In order to improve your pronunciation and reduce your accent, you need to forget about the letters and care about the sounds. Because in French, we do not pronounce every letters. One or more letters can make a sound. F. 4 letters, 2 sounds. E, F, F. Quand. 5 letters, 2 sounds. Que, en, quand. In French, we have 10 oral vowel sounds, 3 nasal vowel sounds, 3 semi-vowels, 18 consonant sounds. This is the International Phonetic Alphabet, or IPA, in French. We can pronounce any word in French by using these sounds. Now I'll explain all the vowel sounds, and I based this video on my French accent. I am from Paris. Oral vowel A. Open wide your mouth. A, 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 A. Ami, pat. Oral vowel E. E as in the English word free. E, I, 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 il. Dynamique. Oral vowel U. The French U is like pronouncing the sound E with your lips pursed and forward as you're trying to blow a candle. U, 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 U. Perdu, du. Oral vowel OU. OU as in the English word cool. OU, 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 OU. Cou, OU. In French, there are 2 O sounds. A closed one, O, and an open one, O. O, 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 O. Oral vowel O. My lips are pursed and forward as I'm trying to blow a candle, and my tongue is backward in my mouth. It doesn't touch my lower teeth. O, 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 O. To, O. Oral vowel O, as in the English word all. O, 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 O. Homme, bol. There are 2 E sounds. A closed one, E, and an open one, E, 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 E. Oral vowel E. Think about the English word bed and pronounce the sound E with your lips pursed and forward as you're trying to blow a candle. E, 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 E. Je, européen. Oral vowel E, the open one. E, 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 E. Seul, cœur. And guys, if you find this video helpful and you would like me to do one on the consonant sounds, please let me know in the comment sections. There are 2 E sounds. A closed one, E, and an open one, E. et, est, et, est. Oral vowel E, as in bed. E, 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 e. Parler, clé. Oral vowel E. It is very similar to the E sounds, but your mouth is a bit more open. E, 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 elle, 16. Now, let's see the 3 nasal sounds. You can check out this video if you want to learn how to make them in details. Un, en, un, en, un. Nasal vowel un, 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 un. Profond, prénom. Nasal vowel en, 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 en. Enfant, temps. Nasal vowel un, 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 un. 20, lundi. And finally, let's see the 3 semi-vowels. Semi-vowels can't be used alone. They need a vowel sound. You will always find a semi-vowel with a vowel together. Semi-vowel y, as in the English word you. Y, 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 y. Ciel, y. Semi-vowel u. It is like a short U sound. U, 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 U. Lui, je suis. Semi-vowel ou, as in the English word way. Ou, 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 ou. Moi, moins. And guys, be sure to subscribe to my channel and you can check out this video next. You can also find the link to the video in the description down below.